Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got old, blurry, low-resolution photos, maybe family memories, childhood pictures, or historic images, today I'm going to show you an easy and free way to enhance them online using AI, with no software installation needed. Let me show you how simple it is. First, open your browser and head to AVCLabs Online AI Image Enhancer. It works completely in the cloud, so no downloads, no complicated setup. Click Upload Image, select your old or blurry photo, and wait for it to load. Now here's the key part. Choose Upscale to 4x. This makes your image much clearer and increases the resolution significantly. And turn on Face Refinement, helps fix blurry faces, restore facial detail, and make people look more natural and sharp. Click Preview first to check the result. It may take a few seconds depending on your photo. That's it. Your blurry old photo is now sharp and refreshed. If you're happy with it, just click Enhance and it costs 1 credit. The watermark will disappear. Now download and save your enhanced photo. If you want to clean up your photos, add some color, or even fix scratches, you can do it all right here. Perfect for family archivists, photographers, students, and anyone wanting to fix memories. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.